Conduct a bookings appointment 1. Welcome to M365 Professional. Ready to conduct an appointment? Here's how to join the appointment. Select Join in your Microsoft Teams calendar. Check your audio and video settings and choose Join Now. If the attendee is already in the appointment or when they are ready to join, you'll be asked to admit them. During the appointment, you can turn video on or off, mute your mic, share your screen, and send chat messages. When you're done, select Leave to end the appointment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.